Remote desktop connectivity in exacqVision 26.0. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up and use the new remote desktop client connectivity feature in exacqVision 26.0. In exacqVision Client, navigate to Remote Connections and select the Desktop Connectivity tab. Tick the relevant checkboxes to enable two systems and click the Generate Desktop Codes button. Copy the required code. In the other client, navigate to Add Systems and click the New button. Select the Connect Using Remote Access Code radio button. Paste the remote access code in the relevant text box and click the Validate button. Enter the username and password and click the Apply button. A green connected message will be displayed. And that's all there is to it. You've now set up and connected to another client using the new remote desktop connectivity feature in exacqVision 26.0.